Today is Eid al-Fitr Day and we said prayers at home because the masjids are not to be packed because of the pandemic COVID-19. So today we have on menu Matar Pulao. So you can call it pea pulao. And guess what? Pulao is either a Farsi name or an Uzbek name because an Uzbek woman in Sydney told me. Okay, so let's get started. So this is obviously mutton. You can see it's red meat, so it's goat meat, and I've added water for the stock, and now I'm going to add, this is ginger paste. Yep. So again, 1 teaspoon full of ginger, and this is garlic. So 1 teaspoonful of garlic, and then salt to bring out all of the flavors. Again, 1 leveled coffee spoon, and then we have this is darchini. I wonder what it is called in English, but we use it in Pulao. Yeah, and this is one of those garam masala herbs, spices. And then we have black whole pepper. There it goes. And lemon juice. If you don't have lemon juice, you can use white vinegar or fruit vinegar, whichever you have in your kitchen. And now I have to cut onions, and then I'm going to put it on medium fire till the stock is ready. It will take low to medium fire, and it will be ready in about half an hour. See you then. Next, in a steel saucepan, just soak the rice. I've used 1.5 cup, but it depends on you how much you want to soak rice. And add 1 teaspoonful of salt to it, then bring to boil. And I usually throw away the first boiled water. It is up to you if you want to boil all of it or throw the water in between. I usually put chicken or mutton stock after throwing away the first boiled water because it will get rid of excess starch, although vitamin B will also be lost. The mutton stock is ready, and now I'm going to drain the stock and use it for cooking pea pulao. So you can see that the first boil has come, so I'm going to throw this water in order to use the mutton stock. So now I'm going to prepare the tarka for the pea pulao. For this I'm using some olive oil, and in olive oil I'm going to put salt. And remember, there's already 1 coffee spoon of salt in the mutton stock, so I'll be using the same amount here. And I am going to put 1 green chili, and if you remember what is this called? I know its name, but somehow I just can't seem to recall. Anyways, this stick, darchini in Urdu, and then I've got a whole black pepper, a couple of grains of these, and then you can see cloves, a few cloves, and then I'm going to put cumin seeds. There we go. And then I'm going to put a little bit of ajwain. Yep, this is ajwain. And then a little bit of salt, Udward, last of all, I'm going to put a bit of kalonji or kalonji, and I'm going to put all this on the burner, and I'm going to stir fry for a while. Yep, stir fry, and then after 2 minutes I'm going to add the boiled mutton. There we go. And then after stir frying boiled mutton, I'm going to add the mutton stock and add the boiled rice. Here it is. You can see I've already boiled the rice. Okay, now it's time to add mutton from the mutton stock. I'm going to stir fry. Okay, so now you can see that it's I have stir fried not only the mutton chops but also peas, and now I'm going to add some fried rice. Oh, sorry, fried onion. This much is enough, and then I'm going to pour in not pour in, but add the parboiled rice. There we go. So I have added parboiled rice, and now I'm going to cover it with the mutton stock. And now I'm going to put it back on the burner. So when the chicken, this is halfway, I still need to let the stock evaporate. The rice is almost done. Yep, you can test it by just pressing it. So I need to put it on dum after a while. So after 2 minutes more cooking, I'll put it on dum. The rice is cooked. I've just tested it. So now you can see that I've put the pulao on dum. So dum is when I put the kitchen paper towel on top of the pot I have cooked the rice in, and I seal it with the lid. So it's going to remain for 5 minutes, and then it's ready to eat. And it's ready to eat. And now, some marinated chicken breasts. The same marination my brother uses. Ginger, garlic, seasonings, coriander, yeah, and black pepper. Milled black pepper. Marinated for 2 hours, and then you just put them in the air fryer. Yeah. So there we go. I'm just going to put it into air fryer. And I'm going to, excuse me, I'm going to switch it to 20 minutes, or is it 30 minutes? Yeah, that 20 minutes. Here you go. And the result will be fine. these are the air-fried chicken breasts, and this is the yogurt blended with coriander, mint, green onion, and of course seasonings to taste. This is called raita or chutney in Urdu. Next, Eid is never Pakistani Eid is never complete without savaiya. So these are vermicelli, cooked in milk alone, and then sweetened with your choice of sugar, whether it's brown, white, or Nestle condensed milk, and decorate with dry fruit, and of course the green salad or the garden salad.